Hey, Jonathan Dunkerley here, and today I wanted to talk to you about a strategy that you could use to have $1,000 days. What we're going to be doing is creating short form videos like this that you could post on Instagram Reels, Facebook, you could post them on YouTube, TikTok. I'm going to show you exactly the strategy on how to do this. And you could also do everything that I'm showing you manually using free tools like CapCut and stock footage, but I'm going to show you the shortcut. The first thing you're going to want to do is grab a trial for ShineRanker at ShineRanker. And once you have your ShineRanker account, you're going to be able to log into your terminal like this. And what ShineRanker is, it's kind of the glue that holds all of the different AI tools together. So what we're going to do is we're going to find a couple topics and we're going to generate videos like what I showed you on Chase's Instagram channel. So along this left side bar, there's a couple things you're going to want to pay attention to. Down at the bottom, we have the ShineRanker VIP. If you ever get lost, there are so many amazing tutorials in here. Make sure you check all this stuff out. This would be the first place that I would stop. But we also have a viral topic finder. What this does is if you click enter keyword topic, it's going to give you 3 different spots that you could enter in keywords. And when you enter in those keywords and submit, it's going to give you a list like this. If nothing else, it's going to give you amazing video topic ideas. And it also shows you the difficulty so you get a rough idea on how easy it is going to be to rank for this topic. And once you have your topic, you can go over here to the AI Video Tools tab. And right now, there's only the one tool that is in here, but there is another tool that is coming soon. But we're going to go ahead and click on AI Text to Image, and I'm click Use Tool. And as you can see, I've already generated some videos. We have a couple different things that we could fill in here. We have our idea, which basically this is what we want our visuals to be about in the video. And then we have advanced options. So if I clicked advanced options, there's a couple things. There's video, there's avatar, there's voice, there's script, and then there's music. So video is if I wanted to add things like accuracy. If I had a Midjourney authentication token, which if you want to grab one, you can grab one by clicking this link right here where it says Midjourney authentication token. And then that will take you over here to the nextleg.io, and you're going to be able to grab an account with this. Just so you know, this is a separate service, so you're going to need to sign up with them if you want to add this into ShineRanker. If you use this, you're going to have more customized photos that it generates for your video. And then you could add in captions right down here, and you could also add in animations, which basically takes the photo and gives it some motion. And if I go over here and click avatar, then I could click this on and I could add in a HeyGen API key. If you need a HeyGen API key, you can click right here where it says HeyGen API key and click that. And once you've created your account, to get your API key on HeyGen, you just go to this drop-down menu for your space, and you're going to go down to space settings. Then we go over on the left side column to API. And then we have API token, webhook, and trial token. And what the trial token will do is it will generate images like this, but it will put the HeyGen watermark, but you'll know that it's working. All we need to do is hit the copy button, then just paste the API key right here and click the check box. And if I wanted to say have myself as the avatar like I have in this video, I would upload a photo with the background removed. All you need to do is grab your photo in JPEG or PNG format, click choose file, and then just select the file that you want to add, and then it's just going to process the file. Once it's uploaded the file, just make sure that you have the right one selected, and then click this little picture icon, and it will show you a preview down here of the image that you have selected. Next, we're going to go over to voice. Now, if you leave custom voice off, it's just going to generate in Chase's voice. But if you want to use your own voice or a different voice, you need to get an 11 Labs API key. Just click custom voice, and then you could add in your API key here. Just go to 11labs.io, and you will need to have some sort of paid account in order to use their API. But in order to find it, just go to this little icon where you have your photo in the top right corner, and we're going to go to profile, and then your API key is right here. Just hit the little I and copy your API key, come back over to ShineRanker and then just paste it in here and then hit the little checkbox. Then you would go down here and click Get Your Voice Models. Then it will load up all of 11 Labs voices plus any custom voices that you have created in 11 Labs. Here's where it gets really cool. You can create a custom script for your videos, but say you want to make a bunch of videos that are a little bit different but on the same topic. You could take this script, for instance, that is already doing well, or one that you're already working on, and you could have ChatGPT through AI chat rewrite the script. What I would do is I would grab the script from this video or another video that I want to emulate. I would copy it. Then I would go over to AI chat right here in the top left column. And then I would ask the chat to rewrite this script. So I asked the AI chat to rewrite this short form TikTok script. I pasted in the script, and now I'm going to hit return. And then just a few seconds later, I am given a completely new script. I would recommend that you always proofread these before you continue. So now I will paste the updated script into the custom script box. And then I can go over to the music tab, and there's a couple different options here. I can go down to no music or a couple of the built-in songs that you could add in. I'm going to click unlock me, and I could preview that just by clicking this little play button. Now you could just click generate video, or you can come over here to where it says enter an idea. Then I'm going to enter an idea that's related to the script. So I have an idea prompt, and I have my advanced options set up, my video, my avatar, my voice, my script, and my music. And when I am ready, I click generate video. And now we have our video processing here. It takes a few minutes to process this video when you have the advanced options turned on, but you could create another video while you wait, and it will queue it up and then start the next one when this one is done. And I believe at this moment you could do up to 3 at a time. So you're able to walk away, and then your videos should be done waiting for you when you come back. So now my video is done. It has my avatar here. It has my photos, added motion in the background. You could also add in closed captioning on the top, burnt in, if you would like, and music. So I'm just going to hit play.
Are you ready to boost your daily video profits with AI? Don't miss out. Discover an amazing AI trick that instantly creates IG Reels and TikTok videos. Ready to get started? First, head over to Shine Ranker. Simply enter the theme of your desired video, and bam! You'll have a money-making video at your fingertips. And that's not all. Customize it further with animations, captions, AI avatars, or even clone your own voice like I'm doing right now. In just a few moments, you'll have killer TikTok videos that will fill your pockets. Excited to unlock the secrets of AI video profit? Drop a yes in the comments.
So now you could take these videos, you could post them on Instagram, you could post them on Facebook, you could post them on YouTube, you could post them on TikTok, and it's going to be much easier for you to scale because of how easy these videos were to make and how you could take old scripts and use the AI chat tool to just rewrite the script over and over and over again, basically making the potential for this tool unlimited. And again, if you wanted to try out Shine Ranker, just go to shineranker.com.